2. Self-introduction vocabulary. 1. Introduce, meaning to tell someone about yourself or someone else. Let me introduce myself. I will introduce my friend to you. Myself, used to talk about me in a formal way. I want to tell you about myself. I can describe myself in simple words. Name, the word people use to call you. My name is Vinay. What is your name? Full name, your complete name with first name and last name. My full name is Vinay Vinu. Please write your full name in the form. Nickname, a short or friendly name. My nickname is Vinu. My friends call me by my nickname. From, shows the place you belong to. I am from Andhra Pradesh. She is from Hyderabad. Hometown, the town where you were born or grew up. My hometown is Vijayawada. His hometown is Warangal. Native place, your original place or village. My native place is a small village. I visit my native place during holidays. Currently, at the present time, now. I am currently studying Java. Currently, I live in Hyderabad. Live, to have your home in a place. I live with my family. I live in a peaceful area. Stay, to live somewhere for some time. I stay near my college. I stay in a hostel. Studying, learning a subject. I am studying computer science. She is studying for her exams. Graduate, a person who completed a degree. I am a graduate in BSc. He is a graduate from a good university. Postgraduate, higher study after graduation. I completed my postgraduate in 2023. She is a postgraduate in MBA. Education, learning and studies in school or college. My education helped me build confidence. Education is important for a good career. Qualification, your degree or study level. My qualification is MCA. What is your highest qualification? College, a place where you study after school. My college is in my city. I learned many skills in college. University, a higher education institution. I studied at a reputable university. My university provides good placements. Course, a set of lessons to learn a skill. I joined a full stock course. This course is very useful for jobs. Stream, your subject area like CSE, ECE, etc. My stream is computer science. His stream is electronics. Background, your past studies and life details. I come from a technical background. My background is related to software development. Experience, work practice or real-world learning. I have experience in building web projects. This internship gave me good experience. Fresher, a person with no job experience. As a fresher, I am ready to learn. Skills, abilities you are good at. My skills are Java and SQL. I am improving my communication skills. Strengths, your strong points. My strengths are hard work and patience. My strengths help me learn faster. Weakness, a small negative point you want to improve. My weakness is overthinking sometimes. I am working on my weakness daily. Hobbies, Activities you do for fun. My hobbies are reading and listening to music. I enjoy hobbies that reduce stress. Interests. Things you like and want to learn more about. My interests include coding and AI. I have strong interests in web development. Goal. Your target or aim in life. My goal is to get a software job. My goal is to improve my skills daily. Future plan. What you want to do in coming days. My future plan is to become a full-stack developer. My future plan is to work in a good company. Thanks for watching. Follow for 30 Days English Speaking Challenge.